1935, Hoover Dam, home to 25 vagrants, was open to the public. Hoover Dam. Cars driving around the Hoover Dam. Only in the future can we imagine such a feat. Cars, rocks, and pavement. Man's achievement.
The world of tomorrow.
Commerce, citizens, dams, and water.
Put them together. What have you got?
Hoover Dam.
The industry.
Industry. And rocks. Hoover Dam.
The world of tomorrow.
Look out for the cars. Pulling out from Hoover Dam. Pedestrians everywhere.
No.
Stop to look at the Art Deco design. Art Deco, soon to be the future. Hoover Dam. Built by Hoover himself.
1844.
With his 2 hands and his 2 feet. Sometimes using his mustache and his teeth. When his hands were busy. Hoover Dam. As we drive across the bridge, we see the pedestrians. These pedestrians have been walking here since 1924. Before the dam was built and before life began. A large man walks across with a backpack.
He looks quite tired.
Much like the Hoover Dam, holding back all that water.
Not everybody can do that.
Only the Hoover Dam.
Dam of tomorrow.
Pedestrians! Hoover Dam. Pedestrians! Rock base. Hoover Dam.